Assalamualaikum. So today we will present about the strata title management in general building maintenance issue.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nozaira Hazwani binti Muhammad Kamari. My ID student is 2022783151. So today I want to present about what is strata title. Strata title is a form of property ownership commonly used for multi-unit building such as apartment, condominiums and townhouse, as well as some commercial development. Is allow individual ownership of a specific unit or portion within a large property while also sharing ownership and responsibility for common areas and facilities. Next, I want to present our case study, which is Crystal Heights is a residential condominium in Shah Alam, Selangor, with leasehold land ownership status. The structure comprises 10-story and 300 flats. The constructed area is 1003 square feet and the land is classified as strata residential. However, the land has the category of strata residential. Crystal Heights offer a children pool, jogging, track, gym, clubhouse, mini supermarket, nursery, squash court, salon, business center, cafeteria, tennis court, 24-hour security, jacuzzi, playground, sauna, parking, BBQ and swimming pool.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Fatih Akila binti Saipul Nizam. So today I would like to present about Strata Management Act 757. Basically, Strata Titles Act 757 helps regulate the management of strata properties in Malaysia, ensuring that both individual owners and the collective community benefit from clear rules, proper maintenance and conflict resolution mechanism. So in Section 23, joint management body to establish maintenance account, which is the maintenance account is referred to in subsection 1, shall be used solely for the purpose of meeting the actual or expected general or regular expenditure necessary in respect of the following matters. Number 1 is maintaining the common property in a good condition on a day-to-day basis. Number 2 is paying for the expenses incurred in providing cleaning services for the common property, security service and amenities for the occupiers of the building. Number 3 is minor painting works on the premises of the common property. Number 4 is carrying out inspection of all electrical wiring system of the common property and replacing or repairing any faulty wiring system, if any. Duties and power of joint management body, Section 21, to properly maintain and manage the building or land intended for subdivision into parcel and the common property. To determine and impose the charge to be deposited into the maintenance account for the purpose of the property maintenance. Number 3 is to comply with any notice or order given or made by the local authority or any competent public authority.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Nabila binti Kamaruddin and today I will be presenting about the building maintenance overview. So, a building must be maintained in numerous ways to stay functional, safe and efficient. Preventive maintenance includes HVAC and fire alarm inspections to avoid malfunctions. Repairing broken pipes or windows is corrective maintenance, whereas cleaning, waste disposal and gardening are normal maintenance. Electrical, fire and emergency escape systems are inspected regularly to ensure their condition. Good asset management entails tracking and servicing elevators, generators and HVAC systems. Sustainable energy techniques include LED illumination and water leak detection. Buildings must also comply with municipal codes and permission. Budgeting is essential for repairs, improvements and emergencies. Management addresses complaints and communicates maintenance dates to satisfy tenants. Finally, an effective emergency response plan prepares the building for power outage and floods, assuring safety and minimal inconvenience. that's all for me. Thank you.
Next, I want to present about issue maintenance and solution for the crack and at upper floor defect. The first one is Section 95, duty to maintain common property. The management body, which is joint management body, JMB or management corporation, which is MC, is responsible for maintaining and repairing common property, which is include structure elements of the building, for example, slab, beams, and wall share between units. Second, Regulation 8 of Strata Management, Maintenance and Management Regulation 2015. Owner are responsible for maintaining their individual units. If a defect in a unit, such as water leakage or crack, cause damage to another unit, the responsible owner must rectify the defect. For example, a crack on the upper floor cause water leakage to the unit below. After inspection, the crack is found to originate from a structure slab, which is common property. The JMB must repair it using fund from the sinking fund. If caused by the upper floor on a renovation, the owner must bear the cost of repair.
Next, I will be presenting about issue maintenance and solution about electrical failure and blackout. So, electrical breakdowns are common in strata buildings and can cause major disruptions and safety risks. Power outage owing to overloaded circuits or faulty wiring, lighting system failures due to burn bulbs or poor connections, and elevator and generator malfunctions due to poor maintenance are common issues. These concerns require preventive maintenance. The Strata Management Act 2013, Act 757, requires electrical system inspections and service to identify and remedy issues before they escalate. Emergency electrical breakdowns are addressed quickly by a maintenance fund and emergency repair plan. I think that's all for me, and thank you.
Next, for issue maintenance and solution, leaking and waterproofing for upper unit. Under the Strata Management Act 2013, which is Act 757, said that the JMB or MC is responsible for maintaining and repairing common property, which includes the roof, external walls, and common drainage systems. For private units, owners are generally responsible for maintaining the interior of their individual units unless the issue originates from the common property. Notify the GMB or MC by lodge a formal complaint with the GMB and MC in writing, detailing the issue and attaching documentation such as photos, videos, and inspection reports. Specify that the issues involve potential damage from common property, which is the responsibility of the GMB or the MC. Request a timeline for repairs and follow up if no action is taken. To prevent future leaks, ensure any damaged or worn-out roofing materials are being replaced or repaired. Apply waterproof sealants to affected areas such as walls, floors, or balconies. Ensure that the proper drainage to prevent water pooling, which can lead to leaking.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farah. So today I'm gonna present about my part, which is type of maintenance. So the first one is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a proactive approach that involves regularly scheduled inspection, servicing, and repair to prevent equipment or building components from breaking down and deteriorating. This building also use a preventive maintenance and have a monthly checklist. The goal is to ensure optimal performance, extend the lifespan of the assets, and reducing unexpected failure. For example, includes regular inspection, roof inspection, and cleaning gutter to avoid blockage. The next one is corrective maintenance. On the other hand, is a reactive approach carried out after a problem or failure has occurred. This building using WhatsApp, email, and system are the one to receive complaint. It focuses on fixing or replacing damaged components to restore functionality. For example, including repairing a leakage pipe, replacing a broken window or fixing a malfunctioning elevators after it stopped working.
Next part is recommendation maintenance of work. Number 1 is Crystal Height should do long-term planning, which is consider implementing sustainable maintenance practice such as energy efficient lighting or green roofing to reduce cost and environmental impact in the long run. Establish a long-term strategy for managing the property assets to plan for large repair or replacement, for example, painting, waterproofing, and flooring. Next is implement a strata management software, which is use software to track maintenance requests, monitor costs, and keep records on work of done. Set up reminders for requiring maintenance tasks, ensuring nothing is missed. The last one is establish regular inspection, which is do the inspection on daily routine.
In conclusion, general building maintenance issues in strata title properties often arise due to inadequate planning, insufficient funding, poor communication among stakeholders, and a lack of enforcement of maintenance obligation. This challenge can lead to deterioration of shared facilities, reduced property value, and dissatisfaction among residents. Effective resolution require proactive management, clear communication, and collaboration between the management body, residents, and service provider. By prioritizing regular maintenance, transparent financial planning, and consistent enforcement of regulation, strata property can ensure long-term sustainability, safety, and a harmonious living environment for all residents. So, that's all for us. Thank you for listening.